Hello guys, welcome again. In the previous video, we made a simple navbar. In this video, let's make the main content of the web page. So let's go to the editor. I am creating a container div now. And here, let's make a row. Inside the row, let's make two columns of equal size. So it is going to be of equal size next to next only in desktop view. So let's make it MD medium screen 6. Inside this inside one let's before that let's add a image source is going to be images home pic alternative home pic no source set. Then I'm adding a class, so class is going to be medium screen 6. Let me save it. Okay, we got the image of size. In this div, let's add a slogan. So I'm adding the slogan in heading tag. So make learning awesome. So next to this, I'm adding the paragraph tag. So let me paste this. Okay, so let's refresh. Okay, it worked. So between the paragraph, so between the div and the image, I need some space. So for that, I am adding an offset. So I am making this 5, and here I am adding an offset 1. Okay. So this is the container and row. I am going to make it to 90 viewport height. So let's go. So for desktop view, it's going to be container dot row, and its height is 90 viewport height. And I'm making it display flex and not justify. I want it to be vertical aligned center, so align center. So now it's looking good. So the next thing is, let's see how it is for mobile view. Okay. So that is some problem we have here. Actually, we have not mentioned anything for the other than the desktop view. So let's make it as column 12. So let it be just 10 for this, and here column 12. I saved it. Now let's see. We get something. Let's see. So images. Okay, so we have an offset, right? So let's make the offset only for the medium screen. Now it's working well. So also I want this content to be aligned center, but for mobile view we can't specify the height to 90 viewport height. So let's make it as minimum height 90 viewport height. So this is for the mobile view, right? So height is going to be fit content, and minimum height is 90 viewport height. Okay, it works well. So after this paragraph, I want to add a button. So in the same way I added the login, let's create a button. So create a button after the paragraph tag. So this button is going to have the content as get started. Okay, it works well. So this is the desktop view. It's the mobile view. Fine. It looks good. So next let's add the background image. So I have two background image, one for desktop one and another one for mobile one. So for the desktop one, let's add it background image. So URL images desktop BG, and background attachment is going to be fixed, and then background size is going to be cover. Let's see. Okay, so it's override. I don't want the picture to override like this. Actually the thing is the navbar is made transparent. We just removed the BG light, but we didn't give any color to it, so that's the problem. So let's give it as a background color white. Okay, it looks good. Then for mobile view, let me just change the background image. So maximum width, this is the mobile view. Body and not the desktop BG. Mobile BG. Okay, let's go check it. It's fine, it's looking good. But the circle, the image is little looking different, so I'm going to make the background position as center. So background position center. It looks so good. Okay, now I want some space before and after the paragraph, so let us add it. Before that, let me make this div, name it as ID slogan, and here okay, let me style the paragraph slogan P. Sorry. So margin 2 rem 0, 2 rem 0. Looking good. Let's also see how it looks for the mobile view. The image, everything looks so good. It's looking very classy. So it's for Pixel 2 and so the Galaxy Fold. It looks really great. Hope you also like it. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this. If you like the tutorial, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you.